morning students. Today in this third video, I am going to explain about the wildlife of India. I have already explained about India's earth surface. I also explained about climate. I also explained about vegetation, and today I am going to explain about wildlife. My dear student, in India we have different kinds of animals. Okay, we have different kinds of animals, birds. Okay, even we can say, okay, we have mammals, mammals, birds, creatures. Okay, even aquatic creature also. Okay, aquatic creature also there. Amphibians. Okay, we have amphibians also, reptiles. Okay, creatures, insects. So we have different kind of things are there, my dear student. Okay, now when we consider about animals, we have two types of animals. Okay, domestic and wild. Domestic and wild animals are there. Okay, domestic and wild animals. My dear student, when we consider about tiger, lion, cheetah, these are called wild animals. They are called wild animals. While domestic, which can be tamed, that is called domestic animals, my dear student. Okay, my in Kerala, in Assam, Karnataka and Kerala, you will find they are known for elephants. They are known for elephant. Which are they? Kerala, Karnataka and Assam. Okay, we can say K K K K K A. Kerala, Karnataka, Assam. K K A, and they are known for elephants. They are known for elephants. K K A E. K K A E. Got it? So sometimes we have to make short form. Sometimes people they are saying K-A-K-E, Kake. That is easy. Remember Kake, K-A-K-E. Kerala, Assam, Karnataka, elephants. Okay, got it? And my dear student, which is our national animal? Yeah, correct. Tiger is our national animal. Okay, that is our national animal. And which is our national bird? Which is our national bird? Yeah, correct. Peacock. Okay, that is our national bird. So we have different kind of birds are there, animals are there. Okay, aquatic animals are also there. And my dear student, when we consider about aquatic animals, we know we have long coastline. We have long coastline. In my previous video I said na 7,570 kilometer long coastal area we have. Okay, so got it? Here first one is two types of animals, wild and domestic. Which are the wild? That I have already explained. Which are domestic? That also I also explained. Tiger is our national animal. And my dear student, when we consider about lions, okay, consider Asian lions. They are found only and only in the forest of Gir. In the forest of Gir. Okay, Asiatic lions, that is found in a only in a Gir forest. Okay, when we consider about birds, different kind of birds are there. Eagle, vulture. Okay, carbird. Okay, different birds are there. And which is our national bird? Peacock is there. My dear student, have you heard the word migratory? Migratory means tourist. Okay, migratory means tourist. My dear student, some birds they come in month of winter. Some birds they come in month of winter to Gujarat and some other places for at least 2 months something they stay, and when the heat starts again they go back. Again they go back to their native place, native country, and that is called tourist bird, that is called migratory bird, that is called migratory bird. And my dear student, in Gujarat we have Nal Sarovar, Thol, okay, Chari Dand, and Khijadia. And Khijadia, there you will find migratory birds. There you will find migratory birds. Now in this season, in winter season, if you visit Nal Sarovar, you will find. Last week I was reading one article, okay, when I was reading newspaper, I read one news also that last year, our scientists, okay, the people belong to this thing, okay, they put one seal on one bird around more 1,300 kilometers the bird traveled and it came back. Okay, it is a news, it came in a paper only, that's why I am just telling you, okay. But many birds they come, and my dear student, the bird flamingo, okay, Nal Sarovar is famous for the migratory birds and especially for the flamingo bird, okay. Then we have reptiles or some other things, okay. In India we have different kind of snakes, okay, and my dear, many are not poisonous, many types of snakes are there, okay, but they are not poisonous, but still we are afraid of them. So here different animals are there, okay. We have mammal, elephant, okay. Then animals are there, okay. Then we have birds, aquatic, just like Bombay duck, okay. Then fish, okay. Then prawns, okay. This kind of aquatic creatures are found, okay. My dear student, if you have visited that Kutch side, Piraton Island, okay, Piraton Island, that's also famous, okay, for the kalu fish, and which gives pearl, moti, okay. So different aquatic creatures are there, okay. So mammals, birds, aquatic creatures and amphibians, okay, reptiles are found. My dear student, earlier in olden days, the people they were very eager for hunting, okay. They kill some animals, okay, and they put their head on the wall in order to show their bravery. But the government has made some law in order not to kill some animals, and in order to grow some animals and birds and some other things, they have kept some areas reserved. They are called sanctuaries or national park, okay. First one I have written here, sanctuary. So what is called sanctuary? Sanctuary means the area declared safe, for the protection and breeding of wild animals, okay. Where in sanctuary the wild animals they are protected. Earlier in olden times, the kings and people they were killing animals, but government in order to save the wildlife, government has made certain rules in order to stop the killing, and that is why sanctuaries are made. My dear student, sanctuaries are made they are formed by the state government. They are formed by the state government, while national park are formed by both, okay. They are formed by both state government as well as the central government. Here what is called national park? National park means the area protected for the preservation of natural vegetation, wildlife, natural beautiful places, and important national sites, they are called national park. Okay, and my dear student, if you have visited, many places are there, many in Gujarat also, and out of Gujarat also. In the book, many places are written. Okay, many places are written. They are where they are find where which are known for which kind of animals and birds. You have seen Gudkhar. Gudkhar, that is called wild ash. Gudkhar, they are found only and only in a desert of Kutch. Gudkhar, that is called wild ash. Okay, so different kind of things are there nowadays. In order to protect forest, why? Because we have, first thing, we have to protect forest. Why we have to protect forest? Because forests are called the house of animals. Okay, in our textbook it is given, why should we protect forest? We have many reasons for that. To protect forest. First one, they bring rain, that is there. My dear student, 33% area of the country should be reserved for the, means 33% forest should be there in a country. How much area should be there? 33% area. 33% area should be apart for the forest. But the problem is we have only 23% area covered with forest. There should be 33%, means third part of the land should be covered with forest, but instead of that we have only 23% area covered with forest, that is less. My reason, because of that, in a in a news you will find that wild animals, they come to city also sometimes. Why? Because nowadays we are cutting forest, and forests are considered as the home for the wildlife, wild animals, and if they are cut, there is no place for them, so that is why they enter to the cities also. Okay, so we have to preserve forest as well as the wild animals. Okay, got it? So once again, my dear student, I would like to revise whole chapter, India's, okay, India, earth's surface, climate, vegetation and wildlife. First thing about India's location, that I have also explained. 5 geographical divisions are there, that also I also explained about 5 types of forests are there. Okay, which are they? The tropical rainy forest, tropical deciduous forest. Okay, then dry and scrub forest, then mountain forest, and last one is mangrove and tidal forest. I also explained about 5 types of geographical divisions. Okay, and which I also explained about the climate also. There are 3 different seasons are there. Okay, winter, summer and monsoon. So here I have explained everything. If anything is missed out, okay, if anything is missed while discussing the question answer, surely I will complete it. I will discuss this thing also. So here we have completed the chapter. Next time we will learn more. Thank you.